Now, besides the info box, you also have the lateral toolbar, which by default, if you have activated the architectural profile, you will have the design group, you will have the viewpoint group, and the document group. Now, in short, you can use the design tools in order to generate your BIM elements, which will automatically display in the 3D dimension view and will also affect the 2D dimension view. The design group has tools like, for example, the walls, columns, slabs, basically everything you need in order to model an architectural project. Now, the viewpoint tool, you can use this set of tools in order to generate your documentation. For example, you can use the section tool, you can cut your element over here, and you will generate a completely new view independent to the story view. In short, viewpoint, like the name implies, will give you tools like the section tools, elevations. You can generate new views like, for example, interior elevations. You can use the camera view in order to generate virtual tours or rendered video for your project. You can also use, for example, details. A whole lot of tools that you can use in order to generate your documentation. And finally, by default, you also get the document group, which has all the tools in order to start working on your documentation. For example, you generate your section with the section tool, and then you can start dimensioning it by using all these tools. You can, for example, insert text, insert 2D lines. Basically, you will use all these tools in order to work on your 2D viewpoints. Now, as I said earlier, ArchiCad also has structural tools, also has map engineering tools, which you can display in the lateral toolbar. If, for example, you activate one of the profiles that ArchiCad has by default, for example, I'm gonna quickly activate the map engineering profile. And as you can see, after I activate the map engineering profile, you will get more tools that are hidden by default, but you can use, for example, to work on your facilities, on your electrical facilities, your plumbing, all your map engineering facilities. But for now, I'm gonna switch it back. I'm gonna go over here to Options, Work Environment, Apply Profile, and I'm gonna select the architectural profile by default. So having said that, take 1 or 2 minutes in order to check out all these options, and in the next lesson we're gonna continue talking about the interface, talking a little bit about what the status bar has to offer, and also about a little bit about the navigator.